What's up, everybody? It is your coach Ramona here. I have a lovely 10-minute nighttime stretch lined up for you for better sleep. So I'll see you there. All right, everybody, let's get right to it. Let's get a good night's sleep for ourselves. So you have the option to do this in bed as well. Sometimes I do a little quick stretch literally in my bed, but it's totally up to you. So let's start in a seated position, crisscross, however is comfortable for you. And we're just gonna focus on some breathing and just kind of centering ourselves and getting deep into our bodies. So close your eyes and take a deep breath in through the nose, inflating the chest and the belly, and then exhaling heavy. Exhaling all that air until you're completely deflated. And let's do that again. Deep breath in through the nose and just keeping those eyes closed. And I want you to kind of tune into your body and start to feel maybe you're a little more sore in this area, or maybe you're a little tight in this area. Are your shoulders tightening up? Is your neck clenching? Start to listen to all those different body cues. Are your legs tightening up? Go ahead, deep breath out. Let's do 2 more breaths just like that. And with every inhale, I want you to send some love to wherever those extra sore spots are. And whenever you exhale, just release all that tension. Tell your body to relax. Tell those tight muscles, those tight shoulders and traps to just release and let go. 1 more deep breath, here we go. And exhale. Good, okay, just again, slowly, with every one of those deep breaths, every time we breathe throughout these movements, just tell your body to relax, tell your body's getting ready for sleep, and really start to wind down and get into that mindset, okay? Let's go ahead and start in a downward dog position. So flip on over, send that tush up into the air, and drive those heels. So go ahead and pedal it out, walk those heels, maybe toes inward, maybe toes outward, whatever feels good for you. Just take a few seconds, a few breaths to really press through the whole back of the legs, right? So you might feel it all the way from like your calves into your hamstrings, into your glutes. So really enjoy all of those little movements there, gentle stretching. And also press your armpits down and back, get a little lat stretch, open up those shoulders and your lat muscles. Head and neck are relaxed, just gently moving and loosening up. Awesome. All right, let's take a body wave here. So you're gonna tuck your tailbone under and you're gonna create a wave, just like in the ocean, a wave with your spine. So round, crested, and then drop the hips and unfurl your spine, landing with that chin up towards the ceiling. Deep breath right here, exhale. And let's reverse that, curl the toes under. Chin is first. You're basically gonna reverse, you're gonna rewind that wave and land back into that upward dog. So we're gonna do that 2 more times, pedal it out. Go ahead and create a wave with your spine. So tuck the tailbone under first, curl, curl, rounded spine, press through those hands on the floor. Hips come first, chin is on the chest, and then the chin unfurls, reaching for the sky. Another deep breath. Maybe you wanna turn your chin over your shoulder, and the other side. Gentle breathing throughout. Go ahead, chin down, rounded shoulders first, up and back, walk it out, walk it out. Let's do that 1 more time. We can speed it up a little bit. Tuck your tailbone, round that spine, press those hands to the floor, chin to chest, hips to ground, chin to sky. Deep breath. Awesome. Excellent work. I hope you're starting to feel a little looser. Let's find ourselves in a 4-point hold position right here, a quadruped position. And we're gonna do some cat-cow. So I want you to drop your belly and stick your tailbone up and out and bring that chin up. So you're creating that cow, that relaxed spine. And then let's do a cat where we're a fraidy cat, right? Those Halloween cats, rounded spine, press through those hands, through those knees, and then go ahead, drop it back down to a cow. Exhale into a cat. Inhale into a cow. Nice and gently opening up that spine, relaxing into that cat. And 1 more time, cow right here. And 1 more time, cat. Bring it all the way up. And from here, I want you to roll your hips in circular motions here, so you can keep your neck neutral. And just tuck the tailbone and release the spine. So you're kind of going in like a lower body cat-cow and just rotating the hips, nice big circles, and then switch directions. Good, let's do 2 more. And find that neutral position again. And let's do some head circles, okay? Rotate that neck, neutral spine here. And switch directions. Let's do 3 in the other direction. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but my neck is getting some good pops. Good, and now what I want you to try is to do both together. So rotate the hips and the neck at the same time. And feel free, if this is too funky for you, to just do one at a time again. That's fine. Last one. Excellent. Finish in a child's pose right here. So drop the hips and extend the arms in front of you and just take a deep breath. Let's spend 30 seconds or so just right here in this child's pose, letting the hips drop, the shoulders drop, tuning back into the body, feeling where, again, where's the tension? Where can I release a little bit more? Where can I send a little more love to, a little more breath to? Deep breath in. Send some love, send some air to your lower back. Exhale, release it. Inhale into those hips. And last exhale. Very good. All right, let's bring it into a pigeon on that right leg. Pigeon pose. Now you can also, if you need to create an angle with that front leg, you can. I like to try to get as much of a 90 degree in that front leg as possible. If this is a little too much, then you can end up just sit into a 90-90 position, basically 90 degrees in both knees and both ankles. Otherwise, let's sit right here. We're just gonna spend another 30, 45 seconds or so in each of these positions. So just deep breath, sending it right into the hip, opening up that right side butt cheek. You can come down to the elbows if you'd like. And again, any thoughts that are coming through your head, just let them pass through. Don't worry about the day anymore. Don't worry about tomorrow. Just think about the good things that happened. Just the pleasantries, the happy happenings. Find little bits of gratitude in your day. You can rock side to side if you want, but just slowly feel that hip releasing. So deep breath in, fill up that hip, and exhale. Try to get a little deeper into that stretch. Nice. Good, another 5 seconds here, and then we'll just switch legs. And what we can do to switch and transition is just sit on up, and then you're gonna create that 90-90 if you're not already there, and we're just gonna swoop, windshield wiper on over to the other side. Again, if this is more accessible, you can stay here. Otherwise, go ahead, pop on over into that pigeon pose. And now this side might feel a little tighter than the other side since we just spent a good amount of time on the first side, but same drill here. As much of a 90 degrees you can create in that front leg. Uncurl the toe in the back. If you wanna come to the elbows, you can. And just every exhale, you just send a little love to that left hip now. Try to open it further. So when you inhale, you create the space, you add some space, and then when you exhale, you deepen into that space. Very nice. Relaxing, thinking happy thoughts. Remember, we don't want to worry, no stresses, nothing that bothered you today, nothing, no person that got on your nerves. You just let all that stuff go, because that ultimately is what keeps us up at night, right? Stressing about the next day, stressing about what happened. So try to let those things go. It's in the past, the future is still, we don't know, right? So don't worry about the things that aren't there yet. Don't worry about the things that are no longer there. Just relax. Another 10 seconds right here. 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead, lift it up. And now we're just gonna swoop our legs forward and lay on our back right here. And we're gonna give 30 seconds of supine twist back here. So take that right leg, tuck it in, and then reach on over to the left side. Leave your right arm on the ground. And look on over to that right hand. So right knee should be towards the left side, right hand to the right side, looking towards it. Another 15 seconds here. Inhale, add some space to that spine. Exhale, get a little more twist. Wring it out like a towel. Into the nose, and switching sides here. So bring that left knee in, up and in. Turn it on over to the right side. Drop that left arm, look towards that left arm. And you can rest your hand either on your knee or out to the side, it's fine as well. Deep breath to create some space. Exhale, get a little more twist. Bring out that spine. Enjoy it and find the space that like, where it's not, you want to create, you want to find the point of tension and then don't go very much past that. Just right there and breathe into that point of tension. You don't want to go past. All right, bring it into the center. Tuck those knees in, rock that spine side to side. That, my friends, is your 10-minute nighttime stretch. So feel free, if you're already in bed, just spread yourself out, lay on down, and just start thinking happy thoughts. Once again, I'm grateful for this person, for this that happened, for this paycheck that just dropped, whatever it is that you are grateful for today. Just go to sleep, some nice slow breathing, thinking about all the good things, and just decide right now that tomorrow's gonna be an amazing day. You're gonna wake up energized and ready to take it on. Let's do one more final deep breath together. And release. Awesome. All right. Thank you, my friends, for joining me. Enjoy your sleep, and I'll see you at the next workout. Hey, everyone. If you've enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There you'll find many more classes from me. I teach trampoline cardio, dance cardio, cardio kickboxing, plus many more from all the SunnyFit trainers. If you haven't yet downloaded the SunnyFit app, click the link in the description below, and we'll see you there.